Welcome to our tiny little apartment in Osaka, Japan. Yesterday morning we packed all our stuff up in Shanghai and took a 2-hour flight to come here to Osaka, Japan. Today we're having a bit of a lazy day. We have some laundry to do, but I can't wait to try to use the appliances. Why don't I show you the mess of our apartment is right now, but I'm gonna clean it, don't worry. So this is our first room. It's kind of like a dining area. We've got a microwave, we've got a fridge, we've got supplies here. We've got our Japanese tub and shower room, which is wonderful. We've got our toilet here, which barely fits anybody. Then you walk this way into the living/sleeping area. We had a delicious konbini breakfast with onigiri, daikon, forget how you say croquette in Japanese. This is my favorite tea actually in the world. We had some shoyu, tamago, like soy sauce, eggs, banana. Say hi to the vlog, Will.
What's up? I'm home.
Moves so much. I have a feeling this is gonna be loud.
Saying for how many liters of water you're gonna use. And here you can click this one, select this one.
But the washing machine sounds like it's eating our clothes. I forgot to mention that our view is the very best part of this Airbnb. It's just, you'll be amazed when you see it. Are you ready? How do I open this? Wow, what a view. It's the most beautiful thing I've ever seen.
You could see the balcony of our neighbor. And the hotel balcony.
Mm.
Classic. No! The best shot ever. Thrust it forward, honey. Yeah, exactly. Good job.
We just got back from our first little exploration of where we are in Osaka. It's really cute and nice, and I just really like it. It's very calm here. We've come back for a nap because we're still tired from all our traveling. So if you don't know, I've actually been trying to study Japanese. I haven't been super good at it, and that's showing now. I still understand a lot more than I thought, but when it comes to speaking, I just get so nervous and embarrassed, and it's like, it's crazy. I was craving Japanese curry, and yesterday Will had me order our food, which went really well. So I tried to order food again today. It was okay, I did okay. But the woman was really nice, and she noticed like, oh, I'm trying to learn Japanese. So she told me, just go at it. Just talk to me, say anything. And it was like, everything I had ever learned just flew right out of my brain. Even when she asked me how old I was, I almost told her the complete wrong age because I just got so nervous that it's like, I don't even know how old I am anymore. I can't remember. She was so lovely, such a joyful woman, and she made good Japanese curry, man. That was delicious. Then we went to a drugstore because I need some pads, and I'm telling you this story because when we went up to the cashier and I put them down, the woman was like, is this for you? I'm like, yeah. She's like, are you sure you want these? And I'm thinking, oh, I don't like, what is she talking about? I don't understand. So I referred her to Will because I couldn't understand the Japanese that she started speaking. And turns out they were not for a period. They were for peeing. Like, they were basically diaper pads. So she's like, are you sure these are for you? So that was embarrassing. We all had a good laugh about that. That's how today's going. Restful, embarrassing, hazukashi. I know way more than I knew when I went to Tokyo with Shauna, but I feel like I still know nothing. We're tired. I'm going to nap now. I'm officially gonna nap now, or rest. Basically, I have social media again, so I'm super pumped, and I'm gonna be on that. My hair looks like it's greasy, but it's not. It's just wet from the rain. What's it called?
Fattiest tuna. Or otoro.
Otoro.
Yeah, can't get it in North America, at least where we live. Cheers.
Do you like it?
Looks fatty.
It's a very distinct taste.
That's good. That's rich.